Some people say they have never seen me eat bigger portion of food. Only what they knew me with is just to eat all these kind of fruits, a little portion of food which they thought is kind this such food belle full me. That's the kind of things they have seen me eating. So today I just want to bring a bigger portion of food for you, but that's not where it ends. Guys, I specifically mention bigger portion of food doesn't mean I can eat something that is so big, guys, because people have thrown that on me. So I just feel like to bring this bigger portion of food to you guys, but in guys, like as I said, in different dimension. Guys, you saw the plates being full doesn't mean this a solid food. Guys, when I try eating bigger portion of food, I get to divert to try getting the lighter kind of food or lighter kind of recipes. So this is what you guys did not know. Guys, eating bigger portion as in is not bad, but it left for you to know the kind of food or recipes to eat in a bigger portion. Because when you go about eating the light food in a bigger portion, I don't think is a taboo, or I don't think it's gonna really affect you or makes you get fatter or feel heavy. But what I'm talking about is the kind of food, solid food like fufu, eating bigger portion of rice every day, or eating bigger portion of like fufu. They are all solid. So that's what the kind of recipes we are talking about. So if you are one of them, guys, you better chill, divert to try eating lighter kind of food. So I bring to you this bigger portion of food which you guys have been lamenting for so long. So I want to prove you that I can still eat bigger kind of food or recipes, but like as I said, in another different dimension. This kind of light food, a full plate but is light. So this is the kind of food I want you to be taking when you feel like you want to eat it in a bigger portion. Because like as you guys said, I've been eating like non-starchy. You saw me all the time goes eating fruit, veggies, or even if you want to see me eat starches or all these solid food, it will come in a little portion. So today I just want to prove you that I can still eat bigger portion, not all the time, once in a while. I might eat this today, it will be maybe I might eat this bigger one today. It will just be only once a day. Other ones should go about being fruit or veggies. So that's how I try eating bigger portion when I crave to eat such food very well. So if you don't know it, this secret I'm giving you, because you guys have seen me remains like this always. I'm not getting fat and I'm not losing weight. I maintain the stature I am, and all this kind of recipe helps me to greater help my skin to grow, because I'm mindful of the kind of food I eat every day and the kind of portion of food I eat every day. Most importantly, going for non-starchy food, because those recipes are the key in terms of food intake. So non-starchy are the best recipes to grab eating every day. Make it your priority that I gonna be eating non-starchy food, even if it come in bigger portion. Like you saw me eating this bigger one, it doesn't mean, but I didn't say you should eat to stupor. You get to be mindful of your food intake, so that you will not be growing fat or your tummy, because the bigger food you eat every day can make your tummy become so fat. So for you to keep having that flat tummy, guys, kindly rush on this non-starchy food. Even if you eat it in a bigger portion, guys, gonna allow you get fat or allow you become heavy, but e get to help you your digestion flow so well. Guys, like as I said, guys, we are not making a health claims for the as in disclaimers. We are just talking about the experience we have based on the kind of recipes we fuel our body with on a daily basis. So that's what have helped me, because people ask me, how do you manage you growing your skin? They felt like it's only when you apply cream, that's when your skin gonna greater. Creams count, but the most important one is the one you fuel your body with on your daily basis. So make it a priority to try eating non-starchy food. We are not against eating solid, but whenever you want to eat solid, make sure you go in a little portion so that it wouldn't make you feel uneasy or become so heavy. So guys, this kind of light food we are eating, what are they? Guys, this combination of different parts, which is spaghetti. So spaghetti comes lightly. It's true that it's in categories of carbohydrate, but what will I do? I've reached here time without number. Whenever you want to eat like starchy food, make sure you side it with healthy kind of stuff, either fruits, either veggies, or natural yogurt. So what am I siding today with my pasta is my natural yogurt. This yogurt can refresh you, it can better your skin. You need to be looking for the kind of thing that can better your skin to grow. That's what we are talking about in this channel. So guys, watch me eat. Guys, another thing that can interest you here, because I've never settled down eating, showcasing myself and showing you guys on how I manage eating. But today I just decided to do that, sometimes settle down to eat so that, as in, it can nourish your body, it can better your skin, and also letting others to know that you can still settle down to eat, especially those in cooking content creating. So some people don't settle down whenever they are shooting content, that's only when they are eating. But make it a day, bring out a day or create time, or schedule your time to sometimes show people on how to eat, because settling down eating gonna help your food digest and still better your body. Don't always be in a hands eating your food. So watch me eat. Guys, you can eat verbally, as in to makes people happy, or you can slow down to eat. No matter how you want to eat it, just go ahead. I'm a quiet kind of person, so eating that verbally the way others do that, it has never mastered me. So I gonna settle down to eat. Is this the whole full video of what we fuel our body with this afternoon? Guys, I just want to review to you that if you want to go on bigger portion, guys, make sure it goes with lighter food like this, okay? So that after eating it, you're not gonna feel heavy or uneasy, especially if you are walking. Kindly, grab this kind of lighter food and make sure you side it with something refreshing like this natural yogurt. It's not all the yogurt you're gonna grab, but mainly go for natural yogurt. It must surely refresh you and better you. Notice that after taking this kind of food, you're not gonna feel heavy, and trust me, your skin will keep growing and greatly. So if you never make this a priority or never try putting it in your agenda, guys, kindly be putting all this in your timetable so that you see what you'll be eating on your daily basis. Please subscribe and turn on your notification. Thanks.